everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive not backing up photos or videos automatically. First of all, you're going to open your Google Drive or Photos settings and enable backup and sync by going to the three-line options. Go to settings, go to backup, and from here you'll choose an account that you are using from the Google Drive and sign up, and your backup will be purchased or confirmed. Look for saving, then allow permission to access photos and enable background app refresh. Connect to Wi-Fi or allow cellular if uploads are desired. Safety tip: be cautious about auto backup on cellular if you have limited data. Quick fix: manually upload through the plus button if the automatic backup stalls, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.